Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use GPS on your Garmin Fenix 8. To begin, access the main menu by holding the Up button. Navigate to Settings, then Activities and Apps. Select the activity you wish to customize, like Run, and then choose Run Settings. Here, you will find the GPS option. Tap it to select your preferred satellite system, ensuring optimal tracking for your next adventure. This initial setup is crucial for accurate data collection. Your Fenix 8 offers several GPS modes. GPS only uses the standard global positioning system for reliable tracking. For superior accuracy, especially in challenging environments, select All Systems, which simultaneously utilizes multiple satellite networks such as GLONASS and Galileo. If you need to extend battery life for ultra-long events, Ultra Track Mode records data less frequently, providing up to 60 hours of tracking, though with slightly reduced detail. Choose the mode that best suits your activity's demands. Navigating with your Fenix 8 is straightforward. You can follow preloaded courses by selecting navigation from your activity options. The watch will guide you with turn-by-turn directions and a clear map display. Should you need to return to your starting point, the Back to Start feature creates a direct route, ensuring you never get lost. Additionally, you can save specific locations as points of interest directly from your current position, making it easy to revisit them later. To optimize your Fenix 8's performance and battery life, consider adjusting the data recording frequency. Every second provides the most detailed track log, while smart recording conserves power by recording key points. Disabling unused sensors, like the heart rate monitor when not needed, also extends battery life significantly. Always ensure your watch's software is up to date. Regular updates often include improvements to GPS accuracy and power efficiency, keeping your device running at its best for all your outdoor pursuits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.